What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Eric back with another video. Man, I'm right now. I just got my car vacuum out. You know, I got my car washed and everything. Now I gotta, put some air in my tire because my tire pressure lights came on. So I gotta fix everything. Cause I got a very important video. It's crazy. Got the white shit. Everybody's cars. It's cool. Got Skylar's cars, got my bro's cars, got his in the back. That's sick as shit. That's just clean. I'm ready for your pink slip. Security guard, top flight security of the world, Craig.
Top flight security of the world, Craig.
God damn. I think our car can smack their shit. I ain't gonna lie. I don't care what no one says. I don't care. They come with.
They're all different colors.
That's crazy. My car can smack the Skyline though. They don't want it over there. They really don't.
Quarter mile. Quarter mile? If we do a mile, and 20. I'll spin literally till 50, which will lose. If it's quarter mile, yeah. That's what says racing mile. Okay, hold on. Let me get some tires next weekend. And I'll do it.
Alright, let me get my supercharger and
My guy's Camaro. Dog, we out here mobbing. This is Bombi. Look at this guy. Hey, he said he's gonna be back in like 5 minutes.
that's fine.
This guy about to send it for real. This is funny.
We're waiting.
This is funny as hell. We are in fucking Petco right now. I didn't find Nemo though. That's fire. What the red one? Where the one at? Where's Nemo? Nemo, we found him.
You all know this better than you know right here.
Look at Dylan.